Everybody, have an awesome opportunity here in Costilla County, Colorado. So I have 11 properties under contract. Again, it's 11, so it's a 1-1. They're each under contract for $3,300. For those of you who have been doing this for a while, this is the same area where we've bought 30 properties in the past. So let's take a zoom out to get a little view of what we're looking at. We're Costilla County, Colorado. These properties all have a really cool view surrounding the mountains. Denver is about 3 hours northeast. Albuquerque is about 3 hours south west. So that's kind of where we are in the area. All 11 properties are in this little band. So again, this little band here north of the river where the runoff comes from the lake. So these properties all pretty much look the same. They're just rectangles. They're 5 acres, just kind of scattered throughout this area. So what's this look like? So looking at for sale properties, looking at land only, this one going for $6,000, this one $15,000, $7,000, $7.5, $6.5. So that's kind of the range we're in. Again, we're purchasing for $3,300. So just checking other comps here. So this is looking at sold data. We have one that's sold for $15,000, and this is looking at sold data over the last 3 months too. So this is really relevant. So 6,000, let's say 4,750. I believe that's the lowest one. This one's 5,900, 6,000. 5,000, 7,000. You get the idea. So again, ours are all within this little area. So 3,300. We're seeing properties roughly sell for about 6,000 on average. So one last check here. This is Lands of America, or this is land.com. So these are for sale. We have 7, 8, and 8. Something's been a little finicky, so we can see if we can get some sold data here. But let's check it out. Let's see, we got one good comp here. This one sold for 4. So again, 3,300. This is one comp sold for, to see if we can find out when it sold. And it says it sold. This is back in 2021. So that's a pretty old comp. I wouldn't even count that, to be honest. So these are gonna be much more relevant for sale comps: the 15, the 6,000, the 6,000, 6,500, etc. So these are all within 3 months again. So what's this look like? Let's check it out. So we're looking at Colorado, Costilla County. So again, we have 11 properties. So we can break this up however you want. So we have 11 properties. If you want 1, if you want 2, you want 3, just let me know. So what I'm anticipating is we're going to sell for around 6,000. So looking at a 50% profit split. And what I really anticipate is a term sale, because I've bought and sold 30 properties in this area already. And I believe about 90% of them went on terms. So this would be a pretty typical deal, about $200 a month for 36 months. And what we're looking at here for the investor is, again, you're putting in $3,300. We're going to cover all the other closing costs, etc. So we're in about $1,000. You're in about $3,300. 50% profit split. So we're anticipating about $1,500 in profit, about $132 a month in net payment. And what's that look like? It looks like a 45% ROI, a 22% IRR, and a 15% annualized ROI. So again, this is me trying to be conservative. I've had many properties that have gone closer to 9,000 in this area. I just want to be conservative in this, just in case. This would be, I think, worst case scenario. And if we had a cash sale, which is possible, some of us have had cash sales in this area, so we'd probably market it around 6,000. And again, so you have a 30% ROI once we go through all the closing, etc. So that is the deal here. If you are interested, let me know. We can get more into details about the kind of overall numbers here. Again, ROI of 30% if it goes cash, about a 2-year payback on the initial investment, about 25 months. Again, 50% profit split. I'll put this all in an email as well. If you have any questions, just give me a shout. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.